The SmartKeeper fiber optic module lock blocks open fiber optic ports to prevent unauthorized port use. Use the lock key to remove. Simply insert into the fiber optic port. Make sure the fiber optic module lock is installed in the correct direction. It will not be installed properly when inserted in the wrong direction. Installation direction is different on the top and bottom ports. There are three components to the SmartKeeper key: the open button, the side latch button, and the key header. Before inserting or removing the lock key from SmartKeeper devices, slide the open button all the way forward to close the key header. Slide the open button back slightly to engage the key header, or press the slide latch button to engage the key header. To remove the fiber optic module lock on the top row, make sure that the open button on the lock key is facing up. To remove fiber optic module locks on the bottom row, make sure that the open button is facing down. Insert the lock key into the fiber optic module lock and engage the key header. Pull the lock key out to remove the fiber optic module lock. If the fiber optic module lock is difficult to remove, gently jiggle the lock key to release the fiber optic module lock. Slide the open button all the way forward to disengage the key header and pull the lock key from the fiber optic module lock.